back to my channel. I recently bought a new iPad Air which we're gonna unbox today. I had an iPad Air for quite a long time, but it was broken, bad, screen not working. But today I got myself a new iPad Air which is the 11-inch Wi-Fi M4 with a Starlight. So let's do some unboxing. I'm quite impatient with it, so I already opened it for my TikTok video. You can check it out, but let's do some unboxing here. You're not gonna get a full unboxing thingy because I already got it for the video on the TikTok. So this is the iPad. I have opened it just now. So now we're gonna change all of it, background, wallpaper and everything. So let's start it with background. Let's download some application. So now my iPad is set up and ready to go. I mostly have widgets like weather, clock from my hometown, and calendar, and some of the books ongoing because at the night time I would like to read a book. That's me. I'm obsessed with the iPad, so I read the books in the iPad too. So that's what I do in the night time. So it's about the pen. I have a stylus pen, which I ordered on Amazon. This worked perfectly fine and the cheaper option of Apple Pencil. I use it for like more than 2 years now. I use it for the last bit as well, and they're working very fast. This is my iPad Air M4 chip with the starlight color, which perfectly fine for me. I have iPhone with the starlight color. I have a MacBook with the same color, so I am kinda obsessed with this color. And I did not download all of the widgets yet because I'm not sure which one I want to use it, so it's gonna be on the go users. For iPad case, I'm using this one, which is detachable case from the front, so which you can just magnetize it, and that's how it works. It's not gonna fall off. Working, it's gonna look a little bit bulky, but our last two iPads are like broken and banned, so anything for the iPad, even if it's bulky, I don't mind it because iPad itself is very lightweight and I can easy for when I'm not working or I'm at home. I can just detach it with some case and I can use it. So that's my iPad Air. I hope you like it, and I will give you a review in like 2-3 months back for the review video. I did my nails for this video only. You can see how cute it looks. We're gonna edit this video in iPad